So again, experiment number 4, which is the taste experiment. So as you will see in the lab, I have a little picture of our tongue. Different areas of our tongue are more sensitive to certain tastes. It has to do with the collections of taste buds at each area. To test this at home, I'm asking you to raid your kitchen. Find 2 foods of different flavors. So I just went downstairs to my kitchen, and here's what I got. I've got sugar, brown sugar, like the fancy sugar, I don't know, it's my roommate's. Sugar, and I got soy sauce, because I knew that would be super bitter, okay? And then I got a fork. You could use like a Q-tip maybe to put it on the tips of your tongue, but I like a fork. So once you have your 2 food samples, all you're gonna do is you can keep your eyes open. I think it says keep your eyes open, right? Yeah, because you have to see what you're doing. So I'm actually gonna wet this so the sugar will stay to it better. Then I'm gonna dip this into the sugar, just enough to get a little bit of sugar on the tip of the fork. Okay, and I'm gonna touch it to all parts of the tongue. So I'm just cheating here. We're gonna touch it to the tip, which is where we taste sweet things most. On the outside lower part, which is where we taste salty. On the back outside, which is where we taste sour. And on the very back, which is where we taste bitter. So just simply touch it to all regions. And I'm going to show you my tongue. Hopefully I did brush my teeth this morning. So I'm going to touch it to the tip. And really take a minute to taste it. Sugary. Now I'm going to touch it to the side, but the lower side. Not quite as sugary. And I'm going to taste it to the back side. And then to the very back. What I notice, as it should be, it tasted sweetest on the tip. So in that example, I tasted what I would have expected. Now I'll do the same thing with the soy sauce. Won't take me much here. To the tip. Now I want sushi. To the side, lower side. Taste it more there. Not as much there. I tasted it most on the salty, which in fact, soy sauce is very salty. So pick any 2 foods that have different flavor profiles, and this is just for fun, okay? See where you taste it the most. Of course, the sugar tasted sweet all over, but it was sweetest on the tip, which happens to correlate with the tongue regions. All right, folks, good luck.